చెప్పేది వినపడదా? ఎక్కడెక్కడ దిక్కులు చూస్తున్నావు? క్లాస్ లో చెప్పేది విన్నావు, ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పేది కూడా వినట్లేదు. ఎక్కడ ఆలోచిస్తున్నావు? ఏం రాస్తున్నావు? బుద్ధిందా? 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 చూడు చూసిరా. ముందు హోంవర్క్ చేయి.
A tender heart being victimized with multiple pressures and severe stress from different corners. The lovely childhood getting crushed with incomplete and stressful education that neither directs nor detects the inherent potential.
Oh God, save me! Oh God, save me! Save me! Save me!
My son, this is not your fault. Who is responsible for this chaos? You or you?
Yes, we are all responsible for this kind of chaotic educational system. Running away from our deep-rooted ancient knowledge, teaching practices, traditions and values, and blindly running behind the education imposed by the invaders with malice and motive. The result is, our innocent younger generations are deprived of the real education and are being driven into a state of dependency. Ancient Bharat excelled in many sectors as a global leader and was hailed as Jagat Guru. How many of us remember Bhaskaracharya, who has given us 365 days, the basis for the universal calendar in the 5th century itself? Another great Bharatiya, Aryabhatta, gifted the world with the concept of zero, and Albert Einstein, world-renowned scientist, paid sincere tributes to Aryabhatta. He said,
"This endeavor, which concerns the Jewish people,
we owe a lot to the Indians who taught us how to count, without which no worthwhile scientific discovery could have been made. We have Vedavyasa, who seeded science and technology in Vedas since times immemorial. Sage Agastya had the power of penance to control the nature for the well-being of mankind. Sushruta is known for surgery, Charaka for Ayurveda, the science of life, and Chanakya for economics and political science. We have many wonderful Bharat Ratnas like C.V. Raman, a path-breaking scientist, Chacha Nehru, an inspirational politician, Mother Teresa, a great humanist, Dr. Ambedkar, a renowned social reformer, and Dr. Abdul Kalam, the living legend. Unable to bear the glory and grandeur of our great country those days, and to achieve their selfish means, a paralyzing system of education was introduced by the invaders, which produced employees rather than entrepreneurs. It neither inculcated values or life skills, nor nurtured the creative intelligence. This resulted in irreparable loss to the individuals as well as the nation. There are government schools, private schools and corporate schools. All are aware of the gaps in the present educational system, but no one is ready to bell the cat to fill the gaps. Children are forced to keep pace with the race, and they have no space for character development, inculcation of human values, development of life skills, or scientific temper in academics. As a result of this, in spite of the huge population, we have no Olympic gold medalists or Nobel laureates in recent times. Both the teacher and the taught are under severe stress. Can't there be a healthy solution to bring back the past glory of Bharat? Like a silver lining in the dark clouds, here comes a ray of hope with a vision and mission, and that is Lead India Bharat Ratna's Value EduTech International Residential Chain of Schools. It is a school with a difference, and it is a school for a difference. Developing strong body and the mind like a hard diamond, the school accelerates multiple intelligence, taking the student beyond national and international competitive exams like engineering, medicine, IIT, SAT, TOEFL and GRE. Lead India Bharat Ratna's Value EduTech School is coming up with a vision and mission to bring micro-level transformation at individual level. culminating Lead India 2020, the second national movement that aims for a transformation at macro level, thus enlivening our glorious value-based developed India.
Let me share with you about a youth movement for Developed India 2020. Recently in Hyderabad, I met a group of citizens who are putting into practice the motto of transforming our youth into an enlightened citizen. The Lead India 2020 Foundation, created by Dr. N.B. Sudarshan at Hyderabad, is training thousands of students in many districts of Andhra Pradesh in partnership with the district administration. Particularly, I happen to know the transformation which has taken place among the students of Medak district. As per the district authorities, the impact of the training on the student is visible in terms of self-discipline, love for their parents and teachers, shedding of stage fear and recognition of their duties towards the nation.
I have interacted with more than 1 million students and thousands of teachers in Lead India 2020 movement in Karimnagar, Tirupati, Guntur, Medak and Hyderabad.
This gives me an assurance that the youth of our country are on the right path through this mission-oriented program.
Let us hear Professor N.B. Sudarshan Acharya, the founder and the national coordinator of Lead India 2020, who steered it along with Bharat Ratna Abdul Kalam.
Lead India Bharat Ratna is an offshoot of Lead India 2020 second national movement. It chisels generations as gems. It integrates ancient Indian cultural heritage with the modern technology. It replaces the homework, assignment, self-study, etc. with self-exploration methods by collaborative learning, by group discussions, by exploring the subject within themselves and correlating the concepts worldwide. It is a value and skill-based education in a stress-free environment. It specializes in inculcation of human values, as values are not taught, values are caught. And every value gives its own infinite potentiality in the individual student to become a Bharat Ratna.
Co-curricular activities, performing arts, yoga and meditation, basketball, volleyball, football, martial arts, kickboxing, swimming and lawn tennis. Here, students are well trained by specialists in the chosen sphere of games, sports, arts and even vocational education all through their stay in the school. Facilities. The school is powered by smart classes, state-of-the-art lab, ICT lab, language lab, activity lab, human values lab, music room, dance room, library, 24/7 nurse on duty, doctor and ambulance on call, and hygienically maintained dining hall and vegetarian food as per NIN norms. The uniqueness of Lead India Bharat Ratnas is its residential and 5-day week residential features with AC hostels, CBSE state integrated syllabus with a blend of ancient Indian wisdom with latest US technologies. Here, every child is chiseled to shine like a gem with lifetime vision, values and excellence. In a nutshell, it is a common man's corporate school, affordable to every parent.
I lead India. I want to become a true servant to mankind, like Mother Teresa. I am chiseled to become a gem of India, a Bharat Ratna.
I lead India. I want to become a world-famous scientist like Abdul Kalam. I am chiseled to become a gem of India, a Bharat Ratna.
Lead India Bharat Ratna is not one another school adding to the thousands of schools that are existing. It is a research compilation of ancient Indian cultural heritage with modern technology. It is going to be replicated in every mandal, every district of India. It brings all private schools, corporate schools under one umbrella, redefining the education, chiseling every student as a Bharat Ratna to bring back the vast glory of Bharata.
Lead India Bharat Ratna's rare and distinctive speciality is the Sudarshan Chakra, a holistic approach for the all-round development of every child. Here, the students explore the correlation between modern sciences and the roots of ancient sciences. They adapt the best educational practices of advanced countries. Lead India Bharat Ratnas is the one-stop solution for all educational problems. Come, Join the mission of making our future generations real Bharat Ratnas. Lead India Bharat Ratnas also invites educational institutions to share the mission of redefining education and re-establish our country as Jagat Guru, a global leader. Vidya Ratnam, Bharata Ratnam.